Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a frequent road tripper, or just love upgrading your ride, the latest car gadgets can transform your driving experience. From smart safety tools to futuristic accessories, we have rounded up 12 of the coolest car gadgets you can still grab on Amazon in 2025. These must-haves combine innovation, convenience, and style, perfect for making your daily drive safer, smarter, and more enjoyable. Check product in the description. We would love to hear your thoughts. Share them in the comments below. Let's begin. Meet the Red Tiger F7NP Dash Cam, your 4K guardian on the road. Dual cameras, record in 4K front and 1080p rear for crystal clear evidence. 170-degree front and 140 degrees rear wide angles capture every detail, no blind spots. Night vision so sharp it's like your car has cat eyes in the dark. Built-in GPS tracks speed, routes, and location. Your personal driving detective. Wi-Fi enabled app lets you view, edit, and share videos with one click. Loop recording ensures no memory card drama. It's like a DVR for your car. G-Sense locks collision videos faster than a squirrel dodging traffic. 24H parking monitor keeps watch even when your car is snoozing. Hardwire kit needed. Durable design resists extreme temperatures. 4 degree to 158 degree. Hot or cold, it's ready. Easy installation with suction cup bracket. Even your grandma could set it up. Backed by an 18-month assurance, because Red Tiger stands by its roaring performance. Plus, voice control support means you can operate key functions without taking your hands off the wheel. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or protecting your teen driver, the Red Tiger F7NP delivers high-performance peace of mind mile after mile. Meet the Slime 50123, your roadside hero for flat tire emergencies. Say goodbye to frustrating delays and hello to fast, stress-free tire fixes. Fix flats in just 8 minutes with no tools, no jacks, and no fuss. Just plug it in and let it work its magic. The sealant and air combo works like a tire's secret smoothie, sealing punctures up to 1/4 inch while inflating your tire at the same time. It's a 2-in-1 lifesaver for your vehicle. Just plug it into your car's 12-volt outlet, hit start, and you're on your way. The digital pressure gauge provides real-time updates, making you feel like a tire whisperer, while the deflate button helps fine-tune PSI levels with ease. Temporary repair lasts up to 500 miles, giving you more than enough breathing room to reach a proper service station. The eco-friendly sealant is safe for TPMS sensors and trusted by major automakers. Compact and portable, it stores easily in your trunk, ready to go when you need it. It's not just for tires either. Inflate sports balls, bike tires, or trailer wheels with equal ease. Slime 50123. Small in size, mighty in action. Your ultimate tire emergency companion. Meet the Terra Pump 5th Gen, your fuel transfer superhero. With durability upgrades like a reinforced tough vinyl hose and metal impeller housing, this pump is ready to go the distance. Rain, shine, or grease. Its universal adapter fits most gas cans like a glove, eliminating the messy guesswork of mismatched fitting. The built-in auto-stop sensor acts like a vigilant sidekick, shutting off the flow before spills or overflows crash the party. Fuel flows at 2.7 gallons per minute, faster than a cheetah on caffeine. And with 250 gallons per charge on just 4 Store batteries, this pump runs a marathon before breaking a sweat. In emergencies, 2 batteries still get the job done. Say goodbye to back-breaking lifting. Whether you're fueling a lawnmower or an RV, Terra Pump does the heavy lifting with an ergonomic handle smoother than butter. Compatible with gasoline, diesel, kerosene, and non-potable water, it's as versatile as a multi-tool. Perfect for boats, generators, ATVs, trucks, farming equipment, and more. It's the MVP of motorized refueling. With a 1-year warranty and 20+ years of pump expertise, you're not just buying a pump, you're getting peace of mind. Terra Pump, making fuel transfer so easy you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Ever lost signal during a crucial call on a road trip? I was stuck in the middle of nowhere, missing important updates and growing more frustrated by the second. Scrolling online for solutions, I discovered the WeeBoost Drive Reach Booster, and it changed everything. Its powerful magnetic roof antenna caught my attention instantly. Installation? Tool-free, quick, and hassle-free. Just plug it in and stick the antenna to the roof. Within minutes, I was experiencing a transformation. Suddenly, my calls were crystal clear, with no more dropped connections, even in remote areas where service usually disappears. Streaming videos while traveling? No buffering, no lag, just smooth, uninterrupted entertainment. Whether you're using Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, or other major carriers, the Drive Reach has you covered. It's even 5G ready, delivering top speeds and future-proof performance for years to come. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or driving for work, imagine never losing signal again. From scenic byways to rural highways, this booster delivers reliable connectivity wherever you go. Why settle for weak signals, missed messages, or broken calls? Meet Jataza's 9-inch wireless CarPlay Android Auto screen. Effortless wireless connection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keeps you focused and hands-free, seamlessly integrating your smartphone with your vehicle's dashboard. The ultra-clear 4K front camera captures every detail on the road, while the 1080p backup camera provides reliable visibility during reversing, even in low-light conditions thanks to its built-in night vision. Loop recording ensures continuous footage storage, automatically overwriting old clips so your most recent drives are always accessible. In case of sudden stops or collisions, the built-in G-sensor locks critical footage, protecting your driving evidence. The optical sensor lens adjusts screen brightness based on ambient lighting, giving you a crystal clear view whether it's day or night. Experience superior entertainment and navigation with wireless AirPlay and Android Cast on the Vivid HD touchscreen. The plug-and-play installation process requires no disassembly of your car's central controls, making it perfect for DIY setups. With integrated voice control, you can launch apps, answer calls, and control media, all without taking your hands off the wheel. Designed for tech-savvy drivers who demand convenience and connectivity, the Jataza 9-inch screen redefines modern driving. Stay safe, stay connected, and drive smarter with Jataza. Enhance your drive with confidence and clarity. Ever been stranded with a dead EV battery and no compatible charger? That was me last month, frustrated, stuck, and searching for solutions. Then, I discovered the VAP2 Tesla to VAP2 Adapter. Game changer. Its press safety lock design ensures a secure, hassle-free charging experience. What caught my eye? The 60A 250V power for lightning-fast charging. No more waiting hours, my EV charges in just a few quick hours. Built tough, it handles extreme weather, and over 15,000 plugins effortlessly. Compact, portable, and fits perfectly in my glove compartment. So convenient. Now, I charge anywhere without worrying about compatibility or delay. Imagine never being stuck again. How much is that peace of mind worth? This adapter opens access to thousands of Tesla chargers, instantly expanding your charging network. Whether you're on a road trip, commuting, or just caught off guard by a low battery, you're covered. It works seamlessly with most J1772 EVs, including Ford, BMW, Nissan, Chevy, and more. Its durable, high-grade materials resist wear, corrosion, and impact, making it ideal for daily use. The design is simple, intuitive, and doesn't require any extra tools or apps. Why wait? Grab the VAP2 adapter today and charge smarter, not harder. Because when it comes to EV freedom, one small tool makes a huge difference. Meet the Basis Solar Car Wireless MP3 Player. Tech-savvy, eco-friendly, and sleek. Solar-powered design lets sunlight fuel your music, saving energy like a pro. Bluetooth 5.0 ensures crystal-clear audio streaming. No wires, no worries. FM transmitter syncs effortlessly. It's like tuning into your personal radio station. Magnetic base sticks to your windshield, making it a dashboard superhero. Supports TF cards, USB, AUX, and wireless. It's like a buffet for audio inputs. Touch interface and LED displays scream futuristic vibes. James Bond would approve. Monocrystalline solar panels store energy efficiently. Perfect for sunny road trips. Rechargeable battery ensures your tunes keep rolling, even when the sun's on break. Compact, sleek design fits any car. It's the Swiss Army knife of audio gear. Eco-conscious drivers, rejoice. This gadget combines green energy with epic sound quality. Basis, where innovation meets convenience for hands-free, hassle-free car entertainment. And there's more. Built-in noise cancellation ensures calls stay crisp and clear, even on the highway. The MP3 player also features voice prompt support, keeping you informed and focused without distraction. It even auto-connects with your phone once paired, so you're ready to roll the moment you start the engine. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on a scenic highway, the Basis MP3 player delivers seamless, stylish sound powered by the... It's not just an accessory, it's a lifestyle upgrade. For drivers who demand performance, sustainability, and smart design, this is the device that checks all the boxes. Plug in, power up, and enjoy the ride. Ever been trapped in a car, panicking, unable to escape quickly? That was me once, stuck, helpless, and wishing I had a solution. Then I discovered the CRKT exit tool, an absolute game changer for emergency. What caught my eye? The seatbelt cutter. Sharp, compact, and super safe. It's designed so small the fingers can't accidentally touch the blade. Genius, right? The tungsten carbide window breaker shatters glass effortlessly when seconds matter most. Clips onto your seatbelt, always within reach, yet unobtrusive and sleek. In emergencies, it's fast action. Cut seatbelts, break windows, save lives. I used it once, and trust me, it turned chaos into calm instantly. But there's more. The exit tool also features a built-in LED light, perfect for low visibility situations or signaling for help at night. You'd be surprised how vital a little light becomes when you're in shock or disoriented. It's not just a tool, it's a lifeline. Lightweight, durable, and designed with real-life crises in mind, this small device can make the ultimate difference. Imagine being prepared for the unexpected. How much is peace of mind worth? Don't wait for the worst to happen. Equip yourself with the exit tool today. Would you rather be prepared or regret not acting? The choice is yours. Because when every second counts, being ready isn't optional. It's everything. Ever been caught off guard by a sudden radar while out driving? Frustrating, right? That was me, stressed, annoyed, and racking up speeding tickets. Not fun. One day I stumbled upon the Escort Max 360C MKII online. Game changer. The 50% improved range and dual antennas instantly caught my attention. It detects threats from all 4 directions with lightning-fast Blackfin DSP tech. False alerts? Nope. The advanced filtering made my drives dramatically quieter. Auto-learn intelligence remembers my routes, rejecting false alerts automatically. Genius. And those shared alerts, real-time updates from other drivers? Total lifesaver. Now, I drive with peace of mind. No surprises, no stress, no tickets. But there's even more under the hood. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, updates and connectivity are seamless. No more plugging in or fumbling with cords. It syncs effortlessly with your Escort Live app for cloud-based threat data and user-generated alerts. The OLED display is sleek and intuitive, giving you clear visual cues without distracting from the road. Whether you're commuting daily or road tripping across states, the Max 360C MKII adapts intelligently to your driving habits. Imagine safer, smarter drives with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Why risk another ticket when the solution is right here? Get yours today. What's stopping you from upgrading your drive? Don't wait. Level up now, because peace of mind is just one radar alert away. Imagine a sudden fire breaking out, panic sets in, and time is critical. Traditional fire extinguishers are bulky, confusing, and not always within reach. What if you could have a compact, easy-to-use fire solution anywhere? Introducing the LifeSafe Safe all-in-one portable fire extinguisher spray. It works on 10 fire types: electrical, cooking oil, textiles, and more. Even lithium-ion battery fires from phones, laptops, or e-scooters? No problem. Safe for electrical fires up to 1000 V. No fear of shocking accidents. Non-toxic, eco-friendly formula leaves no harmful residue or waste behind. Compact and portable. Perfect for homes, vehicles, workplaces, and travel emergencies. Tested, approved, and trusted for reliable performance when every second counts. Its intuitive spray design means anyone can use it regardless of experience or age. No pins to pull, no heavy lifting, just aim, spray, and stop the fire fast. Ideal for kitchens, RVs, garages, dorms, and even camping trips. It's especially valuable for those with mobility issues who may struggle with traditional extinguishers. The canister fits easy in drawers, glove compartments, or backpacks, anywhere you need fast access. With a shelf life of several years, it's a smart investment in long-term safety. Stay prepared, protect your loved ones, and gain peace of mind instantly. Get the Stay Safe all-in-one fire extinguisher today. Safety made simple. Meet the Luxonic Pixel Display Screen, your new tech-savvy companion. Control it effortlessly via smartphone app with Bluetooth connection. Boasting a 9.6 display and 32 by 32 pixel resolution, it's pixel perfect. Setup is a breeze. Just place it on any flat surface or use suction cups for vertical display. Unleash your creativity with DIY images, animations, and scrolling text. Perfect for home decor, art creation, bars, shops, hotels, and gifts. Use it for dynamic car signs, party decorations, or as an RGB LED clock. Bright, colorful, and fully customizable, it's a visual delight. Includes a 3.4 mA USB charging cable for convenient power options. Ideal for enhancing visibility and communication in various settings. A must-have for tech enthusiasts and creative minds alike. But that's just the beginning. Luxonic supports real-time weather updates, emoji reactions, and even QR code display for promotions or quick links. Whether you're advertising a business, celebrating a birthday, or adding flair to your room, this screen adapts to your imagination. Want to set the mood? Program it to pulse with music using the built-in sound response feature. Need to grab attention? Flash emergency messages in vivid color. Lightweight and energy efficient, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor environments. Get your Luxonic Pixel Display Screen today and light up your world, one pixel at a time. Imagine being stranded roadside at night, vulnerable and unsure what to do. Traditional flares risk burns, fires, and aren't reusable, adding stress to emergencies. Cheap safety flares often lack batteries, leaving you unprepared when it matters most. Marcala LED road flares solve these issues with safe, reusable, and bright LEDs. Visible up to 1 mile at night, they ensure you're noticed quickly during emergencies. With 9 flashing modes, these flares adapt to any roadside or outdoor situation. Rugged, crush-proof ABS construction and IP67 waterproofing handle tough conditions effortlessly. Included batteries, carry bag, whistle, and seatbelt cutter make this kit comprehensive. Say goodbye to chemical flares and hello to safer, family-friendly emergency preparedness. Perfect for drivers, campers, and boaters. Marcala flares give peace of mind anywhere. American-owned Marcala offers a strong replacement policy, ensuring quality you can trust. Feel safer on the road and enjoy worry-free adventures with Marcala LED flare. Unlike single-use flares that expire or malfunction, Marcala flares are built the long haul. Use them during breakdowns, off-road excursions, or even in your child's emergency kit. Their magnetic base allows secure attachment to vehicles, while the hook lets you hang them for elevated visibility. Whether you're navigating a stormy night or helping someone else on the roadside, having a set of Markala flares on hand turns a stressful moment into a safe solution. Why take chances? Equip your car today and drive with confidence, knowing you're ready for whatever lies ahead.